My good people of Africans, I greet you all. This message is going direct to the Catholic Bishop Conference of Africans, also Catholic Bishop Conference of Nigerians. If not mistakenly, the Catholic Bishop Conference of Igbo. The book of Romans chapter 6 verse 2 say, can we dwell in the sin and the grace of God abide with us? Apostle Paul said, God forbid. Regardless of what is going on around the world, the official statement led by His Holiness Pope Francis on his statement about the same-sex marriage that trigger on the social media, if not the internet. It's the high time that all bishops in Africa should address this issue once for all. In as much as the Catholic Church didn't legalize or recognize the polygamous marriage in Africa, whereby a man can marry more than one wife, how come they should recognize the same-sex marriage in the church? It's the high time we use our wisdom to think whether this is good or not. So I am waiting for all Catholic bishops of Africans, Nigerian, and Igbo. Let them come out and address these issues once for all, because Africans have culture, custom, and tradition. I knew that this cannot stand in African culture, most precisely in Igbo, because this is a sacrilege, it's a taboo, if not abomination in the custom and the tradition of the particular race. So, my dear listeners, my brethren, let us know where the faith of the Catholic Church stands for. Let us speak out and call a spade a spade. How could you imagine that nwoke na nwoke a na-akpọ ntu, nwanyị na nwanyị a na-akpọ ntu, they will come out and you start dressing them? I didn't blame some people who try to defend things they cannot finish. Someone like Reverend Father Oluoma, which I respected so much on his teachings, and also Reverend Father Stanley Obi, who came out and tried to use Bible quotations and verse to cover the evils and the atrocities that were known. If I didn't not well educated, I didn't attend a philosophy or theological school, I know that this cannot be held, neither can it stand, and neither can it come to pass in African culture and tradition. That is all I have to say for here. I'm pleading with all the Catholic Bishop Conference of Africans, Nigerians, and Igbo. I'm pleading with all the spiritual directors we have in Igbo to speak out and call a spade, and call evil. Maka na ajọ ife bụ ahụ n'ụka, ọ ga-abụ omenala. Ka nke a ghara ịbụ omenala nyere ndị ụka. Ọ bụrụ na ndị ụka Catholic ejeghị recognize a polygamous marriage in the church, ka ihe kpatara ha ga-eji wee mee gịnị recognize nke Pope. Ọ ga-aka m mma ka ime gịnị ka ịkọwara m ebumnobi a, maka na asị na ọ bụ mmụta ka Igbo ji were abawanye. Cheta na onye gịrị ya na karị ogbugbo bụ Maazi-UC. Ọ bụrụ na ọ bụ mbụ ka ị na-afụ ife ozi m, asị gị nnọọ sonyere m, gbasara m ozi. Don't hesitate to join me on my YouTube page and subscribe and on your link notification bell so that anytime you will come across my video, you go and watch it. Remember that Maazi-UC is already on the Twitter. We are here to build a better society at large. Thank you all and remain blessed.